of the beaks shown belongs to bird A. Now this bird A fixed on nectar. So how to reach nectar? It has to, yeah, very good. It's bird Y.
Told you.
Bird Y. Okay, why is it bird Y? Gotta explain answer. Nectar.
It's big Y, not bird Y.
Oh, I
Huh?
didn't
It's big
explain.
Y.
Yeah,
This
why
one is
lah?
big Y.
Oh, okay, can I understand. Okay, it has long beaks to enable it to do what? To reach into flowers.
Enable.
So as to extract the nectar. Okay, very simple.
Enable.
So we are talking about extracting the nectar. You can see the words, right?
To reach. So
Be bigger. Extract. We're talking about extracting the nectar as food. So part B, how does the feeding of nectar of bird A benefit the flowers? Huh? How does it benefit the flowers? How does it benefit the flowers? The bird goes and tries to get the nectar, and then what does it do? Remember the reproduction? Yeah, but how?
the pollen grains.
Very good. Okay, so it's about the pollen grain, right? So the pollen grains will be carried away by the bird to other places, which helps the plant to reproduce. Okay, it's about helping the plant
To other.
to reproduce. Right?
Which helps the plant.
To reproduce. So it's about reproduction. The key words here is about reproduction. The plant can reproduce. And you have to talk about pollen grains. You cannot just say, you know, some students, what they do, they just say, some students, what they do, they just say, oh, help the plant reproduce.
This is what I did.
Is it going to, you're not going to get full marks if you just say reproduce, because you need to talk about the pollen grains being carried away, right?